squeaky, that barrier. It made a creak sound. I'll go to Langley Green level crossing, West Midlands as well, just outside Birmingham. Smith's Industries barrier here with a broken protractor. A bit bent, that barrier over there, a bit like a Hartlebury. That barrier I mentioned a Hartlebury, but that was a left-hand barrier. There's a new alarm here. That's pretty low, this barrier. That looks like it's there. This bit here, and on the road as well. Next one I think is coming from that way, because the last train came from the Kidderminster direction. But they have sort of like fixed those barriers. Not level, they are. There's a spring inside the barrier. Excuse me. Hay fever season at the moment. This is 2334 towards the Foregate Street.